Welcome back. And the much-awaited Pongal release starring Dhanush is finally here and speaking to us on the songs that have again blasted through the charts over the last few weeks. Again, the music director G.V. Prakash joins us live from his studio in Nandanam. Welcome to the show, sir, Mr. G.V. Prakash. It's great to have you here again. Again, on the eve of Pongal, let me ask you this question firstly. Again, your songs are already again the latest rage and the favorite of the radio stations. Did you really expect such a response now, even before the films really hit the big screen?
First of all, I would like to wish all NDTV Hindu viewers a happy new year and a happy Pongal. The songs have been very well received. We did our best. I didn't think that the songs will be such a big hit. I thought it will be a hit. I didn't know there will be such roaring hits. And the theatre response has been fantastic and the songs have been very well received. The starting of all songs have received roaring response from the crowd. So I'm very thrilled about it.
Now, I understand that you've done something different here. You've added some special elements to your work here. What is so special, what is so different about your work here in this project, Aadukalam?
The special things is basically the structure of the film and the story. We've maintained a rural note and rural texture for all the songs because the lead character Karuppu of the film is a boy who lives in Madurai. So he lives in a township. It reflects his character. So the music and the instruments should reflect his character. And the background score, we tried something international. And even in songs, we've tried a blend between the international music and rural folk music. Like Yaate, which has been very well received, has a very international sounds in it. But yet it is rural. So that has been the speciality of this film.
Well, enough about the love songs now. How about the chemistry in your personal life? Would you care to shed some light on that?
My love life is something very special. My girl Sanvi, she's a singer and we've been going around for the past 8 years and I know her from school, very good friend of mine, and it's great to have your friend to get into your life, and we have a very good bonding and we share a very nice space with each other, so I think it's going to be great.
Well, anything that can last over the troughs of over 8 years, that's got to be something special there. But let's move back to your career now. Let's discuss your future projects, things that you have in mind, projects that you have in mind for in the coming few years.
My future projects, now Aadukalam is doing a great job for me, and then I'm doing Devat Thirumagan with Vikram and Madras Patnam director Vijay, and then I'm doing Muppozhum and Karpanaigal with RS Entertainment, and I'm starting Vada Chennai with Vetrimaran for Cloud9, and we'll be doing one more film, me and Vetrimaran for RS Entertainment, and me, Arya and director Vijay, again Madras Patnam combination, we're doing another film, and I'll be doing a film with Anurag Kashyap sir in coming February, and these are the current projects in the pipeline.
So quite a lot there on your plate, but then before we let you go again, we cannot let you go without a few lines of your favorite number in the movie Aadukalam.
My favorite song from Aadukalam is the one which I have sung, which has been a chart buster, and I'll sing it for you guys. Yaate 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 ennacho, yaate 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 dacho.
Ayyo nenjala idadi, agayam ipovala idadi.
That was G.V. Prakash for you live. Thanks a lot, G.V., for joining us and again sharing with us those special moments. Thanks a lot. And of course, we too wish you a very happy Pongal, and of course to all our viewers a very happy Pongal on this eve. I hope you have a great time tomorrow, but that's all we have time for. Keep watching NDTV Hindu for more news and action. Thanks a lot.